Every windows, doors, or curtain wall starts on a screen. Not in the factory. Not on site. It starts in engineering. Drawings are prepared. Profiles are selected. Glass sizes are calculated. Fixing points are checked. From these drawings, the cutting list is issued. Every profile length, every angle, every machining point, nothing is random. This list becomes the factory instruction, as we call it fabrication order or cutting list, to be followed exactly. The cutting list is uploaded into the CNC system. Profiles are arranged through optimization. Waste is reduced. Material is used efficiently. Each bar of aluminium now has a purpose. The CNC machine begins. Profiles are cut to exact length. Miters are formed. Drainage slots are milled. Holes for screws and connectors are drilled. Lock and hinge pockets are created. All in one cycle. One pass. One setup. No manual measuring. No guesswork. Cutting quality is consistent. Edges are clean. Angles are accurate. Every profile matches the drawing. This is where factory precision replaces site adjustment. After cutting, profiles move to fabrication. They are grouped by system. Windows, doors, curtain wall frames, sliding panels. Each batch follows a fabrication order. Assemblers build frames. Corners are crimped or screwed. Gaskets are inserted. Accessories are fitted. Drainage paths are checked. Every frame is squared. Every dimension is verified. This is not assembly. This is system building. Quality control is continuous. Frames are checked against drawings. Widths, heights, diagonals. If one dimension is wrong, the whole unit is wrong. Hardware is tested. Movement is checked. Drainage is confirmed. Because what leaves this factory must fit on site, without force, and without correction. When frames are approved, they are labeled, packed, protected. Glass sizes are already coordinated. Fixings are prepared. Accessories are matched. By the time material reaches site, everything is known. The installer does not guess. He does not modify. He installs. This is the difference between fabrication and construction. Mistakes are removed here. Not on scaffolding. Not at height. Not under pressure. Time is saved. Cost is protected. Quality is controlled. A facade is not built on site. It is prepared in the factory. The building only receives what has already been decided. When engineering, cutting, fabrication, and quality work as one, installation becomes simple. Frames fit. Glass aligns. Systems perform. This is how a facade succeeds. Not by luck. Not by correction. By preparation. Production is not only about aluminum profiles. It is a complete chain. Glass is part of production. Cut, tempered, laminated, heat-soaked. Each pane follows exact sizes coming from engineering. Each edge is polished. Each corner is protected. Accessories are part of production. Brackets, spacers, setting blocks, hinges, locks, rollers, handles. These are not small items. They control movement. They carry weight. They define how the system works. Gaskets and seals are part of production. EPDM, brush seals, weather strips. They decide air tightness, water tightness, sound control. Sealants are part of production. Each joint has a type. Each joint has a depth. Each joint has a purpose. Even packaging is part of production. Frames are wrapped. Edges are protected. Glass is crated. Units are labeled. Because damage after fabrication is the same as wrong fabrication. All these elements must meet at the same time, in the same place, in the right sequence. If glass arrives early, it is damaged. If it arrives late, installation stops. If accessories are missing, frames stay open. If gaskets are wrong, performance fails. Production is coordination.